So as a director of guest experience, I was looking to find a solution that allowed us to enhance the guest experience while they're in our venue by providing a more modern and seamless and interactive wayfinding solution. IQ Interactive was able to assist us in providing a premier user-friendly information system that allows us to not only showcase our building, but the city with pride. The Shaw Conference Centre, we host on average about 650 events a year. We host events of all shapes and sizes, from conventions to weddings, trade shows, graduations, Christmas parties, we host it all. IQ Interactive has a really great team. They're wonderful to work with, whether it was brainstorming creative or whether it was troubleshooting issues. It's lovely that they have somebody on call all the time to help, no matter what the issue is or what the time is. That's wonderful for us to know that we have somebody to call on. And for us, it was really important and a nice feature from them that they were a local company and we were able to support local, something that's very important to the Shaw Conference Centre.